What up, YouTube? Let's see what the front yard is looking like right now. We have some chickens over there by my truck. The blueberries aren't too good this year. Like I don't know, I didn't mulch them. They're real thin. Like that bush is good. This bush looks half dead and thin. It had some berries on it. A couple of these. This ain't nothing compared to what it usually is out here. Let's see here. My grass is all mowed though. We got a bean tunnel coming up real good. These all dirty ducks. This all dirty duck house. They're laying in there. They're full of eggs and feed. That's the old dirty duck house with eggs in there. This is the old dirty duck yard. The guys mowed while I was gone. Yeah. Let's take a walk to the greenhouse. Let's see what's in the greenhouse. Sun's nice and bright, glaring on the camera. Muscadines are coming along. Muscadines are coming along. The elderberries, all the white flowers are going to be dark purple berries. I'm letting this go around there because I'm going to dig up some more. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to dig up some more though. I'm thinking about planting another crop somewhere. Alright, figs and pawpaw trees like all got froze down and are coming back now, like starting from scratch it seems like. We have serranos, we have habaneros, tomatillos, some other crap. This is all my mom's crappy stuff here. Cowtails, some other stuff. We got some sugar cane. We got some tobacco. Look at that tobacco. That's crazy. We have some outside too, but it's not like this. And then pawpaws that I started from seed. Kids sunflowers. More pawpaws. And we have romas. Bell peppers, I believe. I'm not quite sure there. Not quite sure. These tomatoes in here. Agaves. Succulents. Came from Cali. These tomatoes right here are just growing super tall. I mean, this is as tall as I am. You guys will never see me, but I'm pretty tall. This is as tall as I am right here. And they keep flowering, and they keep growing. They keep flowering, and they're not fruiting. And I'm pretty sure it's because of the shade cloth. I don't know. My mom swears up and down it's the shade cloth. So here soon we're going to wheel all these buckets out there on the lawn and see if they start fruiting, huh? See if they start fruiting. And then this side of the greenhouse is just trash, alright? Sorry guys. Tobacco's good. It's outside here. That's the other crop of tobacco out there. And then we got beehives and crap. The tomatoes are all up there in that field. And I don't have no tomatoes yet. 900 tomato plants and nothing yet. That's what we got right here on the farm this morning. Walk on back to my shack. That's the front yard farm tour. That's what we got. And we got this mom over here. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's sitting on eggs there. Yep. I'm gonna let her sit there. She escapes every day and comes over here and is sitting there. Now she ain't been sitting there at night. She goes in this house, so they're probably dull eggs and she's just a bad mom. I don't know. We'll find out. Howdy, Ridge.